Hey everybody, Kate from Crate Insider, and I'm here today with Cody Haskins from KRC Power Steering. And Cody, I would love for you to tell us a little bit about this front drive system we're looking at here.
So this is a single belt system you can find at KrateInsider.com or on a lot of Hendren racing engines. It is a single belt, like 1-to-1 system, roughly 7% reduction ratio, but it's the lightest single belt system on the market. We've gone through and made the ultimate belt wrap that you could get, took as much weight out of it as we could to roughly get about a half pound lighter than everybody else's system on the market. So it's a pretty sporty piece, and we've had it for about a year and a half now and sold a lot through Crate Insider. So we're very happy come do another video on it again, and hopefully we can move a little bit more through Crate Insider. So.
I think that's fantastic. I just love the look of it, but I do get a lot of those questions about reduction. I'm not an engine builder, so you found that being closer to 1-to-1 was really the best thing for these crate engines, or at least just a small 7% reduction rather than something massive. And when you say that it turned out better, was that numbers from the dyno, or just like what are you looking at there?
Well, we're racers. All this stuff we try at the racetrack. The best thing we found with a dirt car, you have a lot of horsepower, or excuse me, a lot of RPM drop in the center of the corner, which slows the fan down, which in return slows the water pump down, causing overheating issues. So we try to keep it as close to 1-to-1, but 6,800 on a crate engine is just a little too much for a water pump to take for cavitation issues. So we did a 7% reduction, which we're very comfortable with it, and haven't seen any overheating issues, and had a lot of on-track experience with Carson Ferguson. He does a lot of our testing for us and won a lot of races this year with it, and it's been great. Like I said, it's been kind of bulletproof since we bolted it on. Bubba Pollard runs a lot of it on his dirt car, and I do as well. So it's been bulletproof since we've got it.
Well, and I love learning that about the cavitation, because having the right amount of water going through your system is one of the most important pieces for cooling, and now you've answered that question, so now I know. So thank you so much, Cody, for that. And of course, the KRC Front Drive system is available at KrateInsider.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.